Right, hello everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. If you're finding me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And yeah, man, if you watched last week's video, I hope you all enjoyed it and took some of those trades or even watched it, because all the trades that all the setup that I did last week all played out perfectly well. I'm sure there's over 150 pips in those 3 trades that I gave out last week. Um, yeah, look, there's a few screenshots I put up, and you can see they all played out pretty much well. And yeah, man. So right, let's get straight into it. So right, on this weekly's watch list, I've got my eyes on 5 pairs. As you can see to the right side of the screen, I've got my eyes on AUDCAD, EURJPY, EURUSD, NZDCAD, and USDJPY. So starting off with AUDCAD. With AUDCAD, we're going to look at it on a daily time frame. AUDCAD is been in a downtrend similar to like AUDJPY at the end of October. We could see here on the daily time frame, it's just been trending towards the downside. So we're gonna go on to the 4-hour time frame. I've given you 2 scenarios that can happen with AUDCAD. We can either see price come back down to this temporary support level and try to push up and start a new trend. If we can see if it holds that trend to push towards the upside. But if it does not, scenario 2 would be we would get a break below this temporary support line and then push back up towards the support line, which will be our new resistant line, and then continue its way towards the downside. So that's 2 scenario AUDCAD. At the moment, I'm not in no rush to get into this trade. This is literally a patient game. This is just a waiting game. And with AUDCAD, I'm just waiting for any of those 2 scenarios to play out. But I'll be honest with you, if it does come back down to this support level right here, then I'm going to be going on to the smaller time frames and see if I can see any like candlestick reversal patterns, any hammers, dragonfly doji, anything like that to give me to get in for a buy. But in overall, I do not like going against the trend, but I do believe we might be coming to see an end of this trend. As you can see, you see on the daily time frame, we're starting to get these bullish candlesticks. You can see these inverted shooting stars. So yeah, just be careful with AUDCAD if you're going to trade it towards the upside. Just look out to see if it's holding to start if it's going to have a pullback. So that's it for AUDCAD. Next up, we've got EURJPY. So with EURJPY, we look at it on the daily time frame. You see, we've had this support area right here. It's had 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, and it didn't, on the 3rd touch, it didn't actually give us that push we was all looking for towards the upside. What's happened? It has come back down to this support level. So what normally happens when the market act like this is literally trying to it's either manipulating traders or getting ready to break this support level and trend towards the downside. So what I would be looking for with EURJPY is for price to break out of this zone, this consolidation zone right here. I do believe if you do get a break from any of these 2 levels here, from your resistance or support level, then we will know the direction of EURJPY. So what I'm looking for is either price to come here, break above resistant level, push down, and continue. That familiar pattern we're all familiar with to happen. If that does not happen, then I'm looking for the same thing to happen towards the downside. So I'll be looking for a break beyond this support level, then push back up, then continue its downwards momentum towards the downside. So that's with EURJPY. If that does not happen, then we can just remain in this consolidation zone, and the market will just be ranging to the upside towards the downside. So if you do like trading consolidation zones, then you can literally see the market come to this level here, won't break, probably have a false breakout, and then push back down towards the downside where you could get in for a sell or reversal, or the other way around, reverse vice. So we can see the market push down towards the support level, find support, go in on a lower time frame to find any candlestick reversal patterns, then push back up towards the upside, and then you could catch a few pips going, place a buy position and catch a few pips towards the upside. So that's with EURJPY. That's 4 scenarios I explained that can happen with EURJPY. Yet again, this is just a waiting game. Patience. I don't see any reason to jump in right now. Where the market is, probably not a good place to buy. EURUSD, pretty similar to EURJPY. With EURUSD, I'm just waiting for market to touch this support level or this resistance level right here to see how it acts when it gets to any of those 2 levels right there. So what I'm waiting for, if we do get a break towards the upside beyond this resistance level, then I'll look to buy. If we get a break below this support level and it holds, then I will look to sell. So those are 2 scenarios I'm waiting for on EURUSD. Or yet again, we could see the market go into a consolidation zone and it will just be ranging between these 2 levels right here. So that's with EURUSD. That is a waiting game for me. Then we're going to move on NZDCAD. This is more looking on the higher time frames. With NZDCAD, I'm going to wait on a weekly. I'm going to wait for the weekly candlestick to close to see how it closes, if it's going to close below this support level or close back above it. So I do believe this is just highlighting. I just thought to bring to my viewers awareness of this trade right here. If we do see this weekly candlestick hold above this support level, then I'll say, yep, NZDCAD is looking to start trading towards the upside, and then I'll be looking to place a buy position on NZDCAD. If it closes below this support level, then I'm going to be looking at sell trades only for NZDCAD. So let's move on to USDJPY. And yet again, this is similar to EURJPY. We're just waiting for market to break above this resistant level or this support level right here. Yet again, this is just a waiting game with USDJPY. Or if you like to trade in when it's in consolidation, when it's ranging between these 2 levels, then you also could do that trade strategy as well. But with USDJPY, I'm just waiting for market to either break above this resistance level right here, then we come back for the retest and it start its upwards trend, or we can either wait for it to break below the support level, push up towards, find retest, and then continue its downwards trend. So that's with USDJPY. In all fairness, I do believe, because you can see the market has been trending towards the upside since September. Have we run out of steam? Has the uptrend run out of steam? I do believe so, because you can see it's made this lower high here right here, and we had its higher, then it's failed really to make to make a new lower high, to make a new higher high. So what I do believe right now we're seeing here is the market wait and see if it's going to make a new higher low, then lower high, and then start trending towards the downside. So I do favor USDJPY towards the downside, but yet again, like I said, it's a waiting game with USDJPY. So that's it, people. That wraps up this week's video of this week's watch list. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it's helped you. Interact with me on Instagram. I've got my Instagram links in the description below. Leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.